I'm Richard Uslan at idefendyou.com, and if you found me, you or someone you know has been arrested for alleged possession of under 50 grams of marijuana in Watchung, New Jersey, located in Somerset County. I can defend you on this, and I've been doing it for over 30 years. You may have some questions, so let's answer some of them immediately before we talk about whether or not you have a complete defense to this case. Question number 1, do I have a criminal record? Yes, you have an arrest record. You were fingerprinted and you were photographed, so we have to try to remove that as soon as possible. Question number 2, will I go to jail? If this is your first involvement in the criminal justice system, no, you're not going to go to jail, so rest assured of that. Am I going to lose my driving privileges? Again, if this is your first involvement in the criminal justice system, that's not likely. But we may need to discuss under some circumstances whether you're eligible for what's called a hardship application. Now, you may have alternatives rather than go to trial. One of them, frankly, is a diversionary program called a conditional discharge. You'll be paying a lot of fines, you'll be on probation for a year, you'll be giving random urine samples. Can't you possibly avoid that? Wouldn't you want to try to avoid that? Let's see if you have a complete defense. Let's see if the police were stopping your vehicle unconstitutionally in violation of your Fourth Amendment rights to reasonable searches and seizures. Let's see whether the police violated those constitutional rights when they searched your car or you. Let's see whether you were actually in possession of the marijuana under the law. Let's see whether that was actually tested properly for marijuana by the chemists. I have experience as a science minor. I know what the chemists will need to do to try to prove this was marijuana. I would get the records to try to challenge it. We may be able to challenge these illegal searches. In short, you may have a complete defense. So call me at 908-725-1200.